Risotto con asparagi.
I'll have some risotto with asparagus. Yeah. See? Oh, what's this? Oh, tell me about this.
Ci sono gamberi con mandorle tostate.
These are shrimp with toasted almonds.
Sì.
Almonds.
And patati.
Cappesante.
Oh, wait.
Cappesante.
There it is. Now it's a party.
Jack.
Jack? Oh, bene.
Look at the risotto being.
Oh, we just lost it. We only have
No,
audio.
it's-
Listen,
oh.
we'll talk about it. See, tell us about it.
Is pouring the risotto with asparagus, vero? In the dish.
See, I wish we had smell-o-vision. You
Yeah,
know,
really.
smell-o-vision, because right now it's audio only. So sorry, guys.
I'm recording it.
And he was recording it, so we're gonna upload this too.
There you are. That's the best.
Man, shove it. I need to hit that. Nobody understands anything I say. When I speak in Mia-isms, they're like, "Please."
Okay.
And Nazi knows that. Okay, we lost the video. Oh, here, let me get it again.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it feels so good. That's so good. You got it? Garlic? Is there garlic?
Aglio? Con l'aglio? No garlic.
It's garlic.
Not on the asparagus.
Yes, yeah, that's better. Oh.
Ok.
Look at the pasta here.
Questa è la pasta che mangiamo noi a mezzogiorno.
Vabbè, ma per gli americani.
Per gli americani.
We don't know any better.
Gli americani sono appena svegliati adesso.
Oh, are they making fun?
And the pastry here, look.
Oh, beautiful. That looks so good. And this is your pasta.
Questa è la pasta lunga.
Listen, tell them I may be skinny.
Dai.
Oh, see, the fish is coming.
Prepare the-
The sputa.
Scusate.
What they have? They put
And
that-
then preparing the fish.
Oh, is that coming?
Of our friends.
Bene. Tell them I may be skinny, but I can eat.
Ha detto, sarà magra ma può mangiare.
Pesce non ingrassa, eh?
I
The
can
fish doesn't make you fat.
I'd eat it anyway. Oh, hold on.
Il pesce non ingrassa.
He is fit. You gotta see Bruno.
Eats
He is fighting
fish
weight.
all the time.
You see.
It got a poggio and is very wealthy. Skier.
Spieghi gli dai
This is
Wow. You
is a
guys can't
kind
see this. I'm so sorry. Hopefully I can get a better view. So what
is a kind of small shrimp that's called skier, and usually served with polenta.
Okay, so hopefully this will come up, you guys, because this is a whole box full of tiny, tiny shrimp, and their little legs
Yeah,
are waving.
and it's called and it's called skier.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that one guy. Keep going. Oh, here we go. Oh, now you can see it. Check this out.
Let's see
you
how
guys.
fresh it is. It's still alive. Look at here.
It's barking.
Look here. Look
Oh. Man,
here. Questo?
Questi sono dei calamari.
Calamari.
this is calamari. Oh,
Squid.
so good. Look at these little guys, though. And this comes from not very far, right? Not
Yeah,
far away.
just half an hour away from here. 1 hour drive. 1 hour drive. You are in the Adriatic. If we want to go, we can go there. Though.
I want to go everywhere. Okay, so then we have all the prep here. And then what do we have going on over here?
Here is
He's got a
crabs.
He's got a little weapon of
Cosa stai
destruction.
facendo lì con i gambe?
Le gale di Granseola.
Is cleaning the crab, Granseola crab.
Is he okay with me getting close?
Sì, no problem.
I don't bite. Tell him I don't bite.
Hai detto che non morde, non preoccuparti.
No, I bite.
No problem.
And these are stone crabs, right?
Yeah.
See if you guys see the. Oh man, I'm so hungry right now. Who's hungry out there? I am.
Come here, Mia. Look.
See.
Mia, look.
Oh man, look at this, you guys.
Ok, questo è il rombo, no? E questo è un branzino.
Ostriche, branzino e le canestrelle.
Like, look at this thing is looking at you. You see that? Those are
He
eyeballs.
says, eat me, eat me,
It's
eat
the
me.
oki. Sì?
Tutto
Occhi.
Adriatico.
All this is Adriatic fish from today. Today, just brought here from the fishermen.
Y'all need to get yourself
Caorle,
here. Kiss.
from Caorle.
Look at he's looking at you.
Chioggia, Caorle, Jesolo, Bibione, but all the Adriatic coast is full of these beauties here.
Nel corso dietro.
Theo, and how's the environment here? Like I know in the States, a lot of the coasts are polluted. So how's
Yeah.
the environment here?
No, the environment here is very good. It's not polluted. As a matter of fact, millions of people go to the beaches of the Adriatic every summer. So come here and you will not
Get
be
your grub on is what we're trying to say. That's beautiful. What is this called? It's a
rombo. I don't know the translation of it in English.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like sole. It's like a big sole.
It's like a big giant whale.
You see a sole? If you turn it around, it looks just like a sole, but it's bigger.
Look at his eyeballs. Seriously, he is looking at me. Hey, that's his eyeball right there. It's beautiful. It does not taste like chicken. Tell
No,
them-
it doesn't
No.
taste like
Tell them thank you for letting me interrupt.
Ha detto grazie e si scusa di avervi interrotto.
Show, anzi, piacere.
It was a pleasure, he says.
Wait till I get my. Tell them wait till I start eating. How do you say keep your hands and feet away when I eat?
Tenetevi i vostri piedi e le vostre gambe lontani quando comincio a mangiare io.
Ciao.
Ciao, grazie.
All right, guys. That was fun.
That was
Okay, we're
fun.
still on.